Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to enable speech to text on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Enabling speech to text, also known as dictation, on your iPhone allows you to convert spoken words into text. Here's how you can enable and use speech to text on your iPhone. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on the Accessibility. Tap on Voice Control, then toggle on Voice Control to enable it. By following these steps, you can easily enable and use speech-to-text dictation on your iPhone to quickly input text using your voice. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.